Tignan mo yung Aubrey.
Paano na yun?
Ha?
Aubrey.
Wala, hindi ko makita.
Andun lang yun. Ewan ko. Andun lang yung kanina eh. Ano?
Ito lang ipagpatawad mo. Ipagpatawad mo. I need you is all that I can say. But deep inside of me, you know, I want you more each day. Time won't let me have the chance, so I've got to see you even in a glance. I know it's hard for you to see exactly how much you mean to me, since it's just a one-way street, and I'm the one, and I'm the only one who's at it. No one knows the way but me. I love you, can't you hear me? Oh, can't you please see through me? Oh, babe, I need your love so badly. It's no lie, so please believe me. In my heart, you'll see the real me. You just gotta give me a chance.
Lying there, you ask how I live. You already want me over. Already want me over. Inside of me, leave me alone if I fall. And over I couldn't help it. I shouldn't help it. It's all your fault. Okay. Uy, meron dito the tidy sigh.
Ah, talaga?
Tignan mo, tugtugin ko.
The tiny summer.
Yan o. Ito yung talaga.
Mega! Wow, dali lang ng chord. Tugtugin ko din.
Ito talaga ng boses niya.
Tignan mo.
Wow!
I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one.
I'm not the kind of girl who gives up just like that. So no,
It's not the big
Teka, hindi mo lang laki.
Diba?
Baka, wala naman tunog.
Alright.
Inalok na nga ako ni Iwan. Kasi kung kitty ko, kitty.
Kitty. You are pussy.
Si Miguel lang talaga yung ninaganto ko ng gusto. Yung ganito.
Diba? Napaka comfy pag si Miguel. Si Miguel lang din yung parang pag inahag ko sa sarap-sarap.